Can you see me? I'm confused. Can you see me? Wait, let me just check. Okay. His work is hey guys, it's the Emerald Miner. And welcome to another vlog. I'm just telling you in this vlog particular that it is bonfire night today. The day I'm recording this, I will try and get some capture done from my local park because there is a firework display and they decided to do it on Saturday because there are loads of schools nearby. So it's on Saturday today. I cannot believe this. Originally I was going to ask my vlog addiction whether she wanted to do it or not. But apparently I just watched one of her videos and she said that she's doing something with her other cousin. Not me. I think I know who it might be. Yeah, but they went because there's one in Pelsall. I am quite close to Pelsall, but obviously nope, I've got no chance. There's one close to me. There was a letter published to every single house on my street. There was one at the Arboretum in Birmingham. That's an hour away from my house. It's gonna be great fun actually. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Okay, yeah, I've got my idea. Yeah. Okay. Also, loads of my friends are going, so I'm gonna team up with them. I thought, unfortunately, they don't have a YouTube channel. Oh god. But one of my friends is Corey, my best buddy. One of my other friends, I think, his other friend Alfie will be going with me. That will be great fun indeed. I think Jeffrey's going as well. I'm not sure yet, but maybe we will be able to process this through. It is to be continued. Don't know whether we're going to be doing it or not because it was raining earlier and now it's dried up. I think my back garden is a mess up. It is a mess. So unfortunately we'll have to have something nice and warm like stew or something. Like I only tried stew yesterday before I tried it. I did not like it. And now I do. Yay! I like stew. Okay, I'll try and get some capture recorded with Corey and Alfie. I'll do some of us going into the gates of the park. And then we have to make a big long tray, line up on the field, on the big grass area that we've got. Then we have to give our names. And then we have to put our names down on a sheet of paper. And it's sorted. Yay! So, thank you very much for watching this vlog. Just a little bonfire night vlog. And I'll just see you all later, guys. Bye!